Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
This video shows the only way to use Google Calendar efficiently today. Open Calendar. Google.com or the Google Calendar mobile app to start. Pick a time slot or press C to create an event immediately. Set a clear title, choose start and end times in 15-minute increments. Add location, conferencing, description, and set notifications like 30 minutes before. Invite guests by entering emails and pick permissions for modifying or inviting. Save the event and send invitations so calendars synchronize across devices instantly. Use a single workflow to manage recurring events and multiple calendars effectively. To make recurrence, choose repeat and pick daily, weekly, monthly, or custom patterns. Set an end date or limit to 50 occurrences when needed for clarity. Use time zone settings per event when collaborating across regions to avoid conflicts. Color code calendars and events so visual scanning takes under 3 seconds. Edit any event to change details, guest lists, or notification times like 10 minutes. Keyboard shortcuts and search speed up management when you master keys and filters. Share a calendar or event to coordinate teams and family schedules easily. Grant permissions like see only free/busy or make changes and manage sharing. Export calendars as ICS files for backup or import into other apps. Turn on desktop notifications and mobile alerts so you never miss a meeting. Sync settings happen automatically when signed into the same Google account across devices. Use agenda, day, week, and month views to find openings in 15-minute blocks. Regularly review notifications and access to keep your calendar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.